This Tap Essentials video is on how to do the toe heel turn. Toe heel turn. There are two components, the ball dig and the heel drop. You want to make 2 beats or sounds. Rotate to the right when starting with the right foot. Do 2 toe heels to make a full 360-degree rotation. Practice time, speed it up. Try that on the other foot. Rotate to the left when starting with the left foot. Practice time, speed it up. This Tap Essentials video is on the turn. I keep wanting to say turn heel. That's nothing. Okay. This Tap Essentials video is on the toe heel turn. Keep watching if you want to learn.